Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the right protein powder for your goal: muscle, recovery, or staying full. Measure 1 scoop precisely. Many scoops are 20-30 g protein, so use a scale if unsure. Pour 250-350 ml of water or milk into your shaker or blender. Milk adds texture and calories. Once done, add the powder to the liquid to prevent clumps and secure the lid. Shake or blend briefly. This first step gets you a consistent base quickly and reliably. Once your base is ready, decide on equipment. A shaker bottle is fast, a blender gives creamier texture. Blend 10-20 seconds to eliminate lumps. For thicker results, add ice or frozen fruit. You can enhance nutrition with 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon nut butter, or 1/2 cup of berries. These add calories, fiber, and flavor. Make sure to taste, then adjust. Add 30-60 ml more liquid for thinner texture. This middle stage builds the final mouthfeel and nutrient profile you want. You finish by drinking within 30 to 60 minutes after training for optimal recovery, or use the shake anytime as a supplement to meals. Make sure to rinse and dry your container immediately to avoid residue buildup. If your drink is clumpy, add liquid first next time, then powder. Whisk or blend vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds to fix texture. Finally, store the powder sealed in a cool, dry place and double-check serving size so you consistently hit your protein targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.